na aria kana na atungata na makiria sekta-ini ya ukui wa matatu oro ndomwe na nduthii na kuria aikorirwo akimagomithania mucini wake mwena wa Karen hindi akigomano giki mutumia wa munini wa president no Pastor Dorcas ni agikorirwo akiranira wihotori wake hari kuri aria matungataga sekta-ini ino ya ukui ari itemi ni ria gutigirira ati ni makihurana na uhuthiri wa ndugugio sekta-ini ino.
And we are here to discuss how we can better their lives and how we can be able to change and transform these young people so that they can become men with their families, men who are who have social status, and how even the world will start to see them in a different eyeglasses. We are willing to help our children because we give birth to them. Number two, we are the ones who are employing them, and as fathers and mothers of the land, we are saying we are working with these young people, and we are going to make sure that we give them the right counsel. We are going to make their working hours and everything that gravitates around them more or less stressful.
As per Metro, that we feel blessed. This is a journey that we started some times back of training when we realized that they are being affected so much by the alcoholism and drug addiction. We did not know where to go, but we were doing it on our own. But now that Her Excellency, you have come, we are ready to partner together to make sure that we save our drivers and our conductors. We are grateful and very, very happy indeed.
For the long time, as you know, bodaboda is a high, we can count them at a high risk in terms of transporting drugs and also using them. But now, since you have come, we are ready to partner with you and to make sure that all bodaboda riders in this country, more than 2.5 million bodaboda riders, the 85% of them, those who transport drugs, maybe willingly or some of them unknowingly, we make sure that those bodaboda riders, we do trainings and also sensitization for them, make sure that now be safe from the ground.
Our industry was hard hit with the issue of drugs, and we are looking at around 85% of the workers who are actually hard hit with the issue of drugs. And I think MAM has come through to for us, and we want to say that as FEDCO we are going to partner up with MAM. We are going to partner up with the clergy. We need spiritual breakthrough on this issue. We also need support from the government on this issue that we are currently facing.
Minister wa mathomo guku bururi-ini niwe Ezekiel Mashogu